Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubak seniau bahalang dhar hak arpoi terik yayong ulaong ba kejing temu penlong rally pajba jong keseng Voice of the People Party VPP halor kimat ki bekentup ya ka projek daulunong Lumpongdeng kadai kejing penlong ya kejing lap nak benta ka eleksyon Shiteng Samoy jong ka Shillong Lok Sabha kani ka rally pajba balakot da ka VPP kadai namar ba kilas dang ya kejing lap nak benta ka eleksyon Shiteng Samoy jong ka Shillong Lok Sabha. Ngiru nginsas dangno ya kejingalap lekse ha ubenai ubanwan ong uba seniau bhalang haba kren syakilat pathai kubor. Haba kedau halor karai jong ka sorkar ban penlat ya ka deulnong Lumpongdeng na ka project Taj Resort and Spa ulaong. Ka jingkren jong usembut Menteri Rangba ba Preston Tensong bat Menteri Sorkar uba Wailat Miki Syllad kadai ka basyai bha bat thik kalaja kumtahi. Habakali la ka VPP katmu ban ter persya ya ka NPP uba seniau bahalang ulaong. Kadai ka kamram jong man ki seng san perthai ban yalap na kebenta ka eleksyon Shiteng Samoy. Lekse ki kuwa ban pendon kam ya kene kebenta kum kamat yalap eleksyon. Kadai ka syong haki. Halor kejing terwa bahasua jong ban penkenria ya ka projek 5-star hotel Syawa ya jer ladaki beriu ki persya ya ka ulaong. POE ngilong ki bapediang sngobha ya ka roy kapar. Namar menta ka sorkar kala pensngap ya ka sur jong ka senjuk ki Rangba Shnong Ribhoi district ngi ka sorkar ngila penbay ya kene ka kam.
I've seen yesterday the statement from Deputy Chief Minister and the statement from Meghalaya is very clear and exactly it's happened like that only.
But there is an agitation tomorrow, public rally.
You see that public rally and all these things by VP, they're starting campaign because of the by-election MPC, understand? And we also are to start campaign only, maybe by next month. That is a part of the agenda to campaign.
But do you think that VPP is particularly targeting the NPP?
No, that you see, every political party is their duty to campaign for the by-election. No, maybe they want to use as a by-election agenda. That is up to them.
You also said in your meeting there that if people don't want the project here, we can take it to your constituency.
No, obviously, you see, actually, we are almost, I always welcome development. When that's supposed, but now they're locally, so the government is listen to the voice of all these Senjuk Grangbas, not from the body state, and you know wherever Meghalaya kept the statement very clear yesterday, and exactly that we resolve the issue. We are well prepared.
Who is your candidate?
We are yet to finalize, so we will call meetings, all the parties. So we will take a call, we will take a decision, we will decide who is our candidate. Shortly you will be able to know.
Only some few applicants' names we can give.
No, that let me see. We will finalize. We won't see what applicant we are very close to announcement of the name of the candidate. Number of them. That's why it takes a little bit time for us to declare the name.
Also on the legislative nomination, so what is the...
Oh, that is yet to decide because party will sit on this issue and will decide unanimously from the party side. No, it's not a fact. They are putting on their own vote bank. We are fighting over our own, but that's no issue. Maybe UDP will put, maybe BHP will put, maybe HSP will put. Now there is no common candidate. We will fight on our own.